we invite you to experience the matchata, blending the lines between health and your sweet tooth, combining all the antioxidants of Japanese matcha with a delicious sweet Spanish horchata. We start with adding half a cup of rice milk. We will need the other half for later. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, add 2 ounces of agave nectar, add 1 scoop of cinnamon. Now for the most important part, add 2 heaping scoops of premium grade Ascend matcha. Blend till you get a really good froth of green bubbles. Now it's time to add the other half of rice milk. Then froth again. The first time was to really blend the matcha. The second time was to really get a really good consistency. Now pour over ice in a tall glass. Garnish with a little dusting of cinnamon. Now enjoy the complex taste of a merging of cultures.